Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about the latest cars, trucks, and everything that moves on four wheels. If you love pickups that mix power, style, and smart technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Ford Ranger, a midsize truck that's ready to raise the bar and challenge everything in its class. The 2026 Ford Ranger comes with a bold and confident design that immediately grabs attention. Up front, the wider grille, sharper LED headlights, and muscular hood give it a strong road presence. Ford has clearly focused on making the Ranger look tougher and more premium at the same time. The body lines are clean yet aggressive, and the redesigned tailgate with updated LED taillamps adds a modern touch. Whether you're driving through the city or heading off-road, this truck looks like it belongs everywhere. Step inside the cabin, and you'll notice a big leap in quality and technology. The interior of the 2026 Ranger feels more refined, with better materials, improved fit and finish, and a layout that's both practical and stylish. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system running the latest Ford Sync software, offering smooth performance, crisp graphics, and easy smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential driving information clearly, while available premium upholstery and ambient lighting give the cabin a more upscale vibe. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Ranger offers multiple engine options to suit different driving needs. Expect a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine for everyday efficiency and performance, along with more powerful V6 options for those who need extra muscle. These engines are paired with a refined automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifts and strong acceleration. Fuel efficiency has also been improved, making the Ranger a smart choice for both work and daily driving. When it comes to capability, the 2026 Ranger truly shines. This truck is built to handle tough jobs and adventurous weekends with ease. It offers impressive towing and payload capacities, making it ideal for hauling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment. The advanced four-wheel drive system, multiple drive modes, and improved suspension setup ensure excellent performance on rough terrain, mud, sand, and rocky trails. Ford has fine-tuned the Ranger to be more comfortable on highways while remaining tough off-road. Safety and driver assistance features are another strong point of the 2026 Ford Ranger. It comes equipped with a wide range of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features work together to make driving safer and more relaxed, whether you're on long highway trips or navigating busy city streets. Practicality has always been a key strength of the Ranger, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. The truck bed is designed with smart storage solutions, durable materials, and available accessories that make loading and organizing cargo easier than ever. From weekend adventures to demanding workdays, the Ranger adapts to your lifestyle without compromise. In conclusion, the 2026 Ford Ranger is a well-rounded midsize pickup that delivers on design, performance, technology, and capability. It's tougher, smarter, and more refined than before, making it a strong competitor in its segment. Whether you're a hard-working professional, an off-road enthusiast, or someone who simply loves a reliable and stylish truck, the new Ranger deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts about the 2026 Ford Ranger in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the